Investing in movies can be a unique and exciting way to earn passive income. Movies and TV shows are making enormous amounts of money right now. This indicates significant potential to earn by investing in the industry. If you're interested in this type of investment, you might be wondering where to begin and what the best opportunities are. In the past, only wealthy and influential entertainment moguls could invest in movie-making ventures. However, this is no longer the case. Today, regular investors may also have opportunities to invest in the success or failure of movies. Hollywood often brings to mind lavish parties, rubbing shoulders with celebrities, award shows, and glamorous outfits. But beyond the allure, the potential for high returns exists, albeit with considerable risk. Investing in movie projects can be more complex and risky than investing in publicly traded movie production companies. To get started, you'll want to find a movie investment opportunity. This can be done through various online platforms that connect investors with film producers or production companies, attending film festivals, industry events, or networking within the industry. Once you've found an opportunity, it's essential to do your due diligence. Research the production company, script, director, and cast. Look into their past projects and reviews to assess their chances of success. Next, consider how much you're willing to invest, as movie investments often require a minimum amount. After determining your investment amount, work with the production company to negotiate your equity or ownership share and how you'll be compensated if the film succeeds. Finally, review all legal documents, including investment, production, and distribution agreements, to ensure everything is in order. There are several online platforms where you can explore movie investments. Slated connects investors with independent filmmakers and producers, while Legion M allows fans to participate in the development and financing of entertainment projects. Mogul Productions uses blockchain technology to enable decentralized investments, and platforms like MovieInvestor.com and FrontFunder offer opportunities to invest in independent films. Another way to earn passive income from movies is by investing in royalties. This involves purchasing a percentage of the revenue generated by a movie, such as rights to the soundtrack or screenplay. Some brokers and firms to consider for royalty investments include the Royalty Exchange, which allows investors to buy or sell royalties from various assets, Royalty Flow, specializing in managing royalty interests in media, and the Entertainment IP Fund, offering accredited investors a chance to invest in entertainment intellectual property. Not everyone can invest in movies. In the United States, filmmakers must follow strict SEC rules when accepting investors. There are two types of investors: active and passive. Active investors are usually involved in the industry and production, while passive investors must be accredited, meaning they have high net worth or substantial income. Filmmakers can also secure investments from up to 35 non-accredited investors, but this process is more complex. If you're working with a filmmaker, ensure they have a private placement memorandum, PPM, prepared, proving you're legally able to invest. Be cautious of filmmakers not following SEC rules, especially those raising significant funds. For those with substantial capital, private equity and hedge funds provide a direct route to Hollywood investments. Hedge funds often use slate financing, investing in a portfolio of films rather than a single production. However, this route is better suited for institutional investors due to the risks involved. Crowdfunding is another option for average investors, allowing filmmakers to raise capital from many individuals. However, do thorough research before investing and be cautious about promises of return. Alternatively, you could invest indirectly in the industry by purchasing stocks in companies like Viacom, Netflix, Disney, Amazon, and Lionsgate, which offer diversification and lower risks. Before diving into a movie project, conduct thorough research. Evaluate the producer's reputation, experience, and the talent involved. Consider the script's quality, market appeal, and the alignment of interests between the filmmaker, investors, and distributor. Ensure the investment is fair and review all legal documents, including an arbitration clause for dispute resolution. In the movie industry, revenue from ticket sales is shared between theater owners, studios, and distributors, with the studio receiving a larger portion initially. Merchandising and foreign sales also contribute significantly to profits, especially for big-budget films. Additionally, revenue from television rights, video on demand, and streaming platforms like Netflix is becoming increasingly important.